Welcome back. Now to the easy money you're probably entitled to but have no idea about. It is literally money for nothing, and it can amount to thousands of dollars. If you have a mortgage or insurance or superannuation, chances are you're missing out on cash you deserve. David Richardson has been on the trail to find out how to get it back.
This is easy money that working families could be accessing every single year.
That's $593 in my pocket, not theirs.
How much are we talking about generally?
The first year was just over $1,000.
It's easy money most people never knew they had. Trailing commissions which cost people every year, but it's money you can get back.
There is trailing commissions to be collected across every single product. Superannuation, home loans, investments, any sort of product, there's money there to collect.
Sally Farrow from YourShare is a trailing commission hunter. For a fixed fee, her company will track down every cent you're eligible to reclaim.
We're talking about, say, an average family could be getting around $1,700 back a year from financial products they already have.
In 5 years, YourShare has recovered more than $1 million for its clients, but there are millions of others still missing out. A trailing commission is a fee charged by financial advisors, brokers, companies, even banks, year after year, for getting you into a particular financial product.
Our first cheque was just under $600. So we've had that for the last 2 years now.
Small businesswoman Kath Long went looking for hidden commissions on 5 of her products: insurances, compulsory third party or CTP, and superannuation for her and her husband. She was astounded how much she could get back.
I'm just really surprised that it has been happening for however long that these products have existed, and you know, basically customers have been losing out because they didn't know that it was there.
Quite surprised, particularly when I deliberately went directly to one of the larger companies without going through an intermediary of any kind, a broker or agent, and then to see the trailing commissions on the statement.
Mark Cooper also used YourShare to hunt down commissions on his financial products.
I sent off that form. I didn't do anything after that. That was it. So that 20 minutes, that was it. Each year, the cheques now just keep coming in.
And here's where money can be found: on your mortgage, home and contents insurance, car insurance and CTP, even superannuation. For someone single, starting out, you can get back $775. The typical Australian family can save a bit more than $1,700. A person on the verge of retirement can reclaim more than $3,800, while a self-funded retiree could receive more than $4,200.
We have an example of a customer who receives $10,000 back a year.
On mortgages alone, finding trailing commissions can net you money every year. On a $200,000 home loan, you can get back $400. On the average loan of $350,000, a $700 saving. For a $500,000 mortgage, $1,000 goes in commissions.
I think it's a dirty little secret that is starting to be uncovered.
I'm Ingrid Joost from Choice.
Choice has for years been pushing for these trailing commissions to be scrapped.
Some figures show that almost 20% of the premiums that we pay across these products are commissions.
Finally, someone has listened. The days of easy money for the big end of town will soon be over. The federal government has moved to eliminate trailing commissions to banks, superannuation companies, insurance firms, financial planners and advisors, even mortgage brokers. In the future, consumers will simply pay a flat fee for service. But not everyone will benefit from the changes. They don't come into effect until the middle of next year and will only help new customers buying new financial products.
Wait until 2012 before you sign up to anything, because there'll be no commissions on many of these products under the new rules, the new legislations.
Yeah, so those new laws regarding financial products come into force next July, but the savings can still be made right now. There are more details on our website.